Hello friends and Happy New Year. This is Sarah with the York County Library. Today's Stay Creative video is going to be a little bit different. Today I wanted to introduce you to a resource that I find very helpful and have mentioned in past videos, and that is Creativebug. Creativebug provides York County Library card holders with the ability to watch online classes on a variety of topics for arts and crafts. This is a wonderful tool that I have used myself and also as the inspiration for several videos in the Stay Creative York County series. So let's get started. To get to Creativebug, the first thing you need to do is go to yclibrary.org. Open up your internet browser and type in www.yclibrary.org. That will take you to our homepage. Once you're on our homepage, hover over Research and you will get a drop-down menu. Click on Online Learning. Scroll down on the Online Learning page and you will find Creativebug. To get to Creativebug, you can click on the image or the linked text in the description. On this screen, you will see a box that asks for your library card number. If you do not have an account, you will be asked to make one after entering your library card and clicking Submit. You will need a valid email to sign up. If you do have an account, you will enter in your library card number, click Submit, and come to the home page. On the home page, you will find suggested classes, classes you have started but haven't finished, and news from Creativebug. At the top of the home page, you will have a link to classes. If you hover over classes, you will be given a list of subjects. As you hover over each subject, you will be given some further options. Each category of class has a section of further categories for specific crafts, a list of classes for beginners, multi-part classes, quick classes, and classes that focus on techniques. And there is also a link to see all the classes in that category. On the home page, you will also find a My Classes tab that will give you access to the classes that you have viewed or that are on your watch list. The Gallery tab on the home page is where you can find images from other Creativebug users and also where you can share your own images. You will find those you have added in the section titled My Gallery. At the top of the home page, if you hover over Inspiration, you will have access to some resources to keep you motivated. The calendar shows upcoming events and releases from Creativebug TV. You can watch past broadcasts or add an event or upcoming new class to your calendar. The inspiration feed brings you to the community gallery. The pattern library has a selection of crochet patterns and knitting patterns that you can download and use. The class collections option provides you with topics under which several classes have been specifically curated. Here we have Valentine's Day projects, Hanukkah projects, DIY sketchbooks. There are classes curated here for all categories. I've selected this DIY sketchbook one. I find it very interesting. The instructors page provides a list of all Creativebug instructors. Clicking on their image will give you a short bio and a list of the classes they teach. At the top of the home page, the cbtb link will open a page with Creativebug TV events and past broadcasts. Some broadcasts are pre-recorded and some are done live. The daily practice page has a collection of classes that have a daily practice element to them, something you can do every day for a certain period of time. This is for a variety of art and craft skills. Now that we have ventured into Creativebug, if we want to get back to the home page, we can click on the pink Creativebug logo at the top left. So now I am going to search for some classes. The search bar has a drop-down menu to the left that allows you to search for classes, instructors, blog posts, and images. I'm going to type in crochet, and as I do, there are a list of suggested search terms that match classes in Creativebug. You can click on these to be taken to a list of results, or you can use the text that you typed in, hit enter, or click on the pink magnifying glass to the right of the search bar. The results can be filtered so that you can find specifically what you would like. You can filter them by type, category, and by the instructor that teaches the course. The results can also be sorted by relevance, popularity, release date, or alphabetically A to Z, or reverse Z to A. For my search, I am going to filter by type and select for beginners. I want a crochet course that is perfect for a beginner. Now I have a list of beginner crochet classes. The search result features an image, title, and instructor name. I can click on the View Class button or the image to open the class. I can also click on the instructor to see their bio and list of classes they teach. If I scroll down, sometimes they will auto-populate more results, or you can click the Load More button at the bottom. I am going to select this beginner crochet class. On the class page, I see the title of the class, a star rating, and below that is the video for the class. Below the video are some very useful tools. Automatically, the first thing selected will be the description for the course. This provides an overview of the class and what skills you can expect to learn. The Chapters tool shows a list of the chapters for the class, their title, and the duration. This allows you to be able to skip to certain parts or pick up where you left off. The Materials section is where students can find resources, patterns, or handouts provided by the instructor, and a list of materials. The Gallery shows community images for the class and is where students can submit their own photos of creations. The Notes feature is very useful. While watching the class, you can click on the Notes tool and it will allow you to make a note. Once the note is typed up, you can hit Save Note, or you can hit Cancel if you don't want to add the note. Once you click Save Note, the note will be saved with a timestamp for when you made it during the class. You can then edit the note or delete it. Next to the Note feature underneath the video is where you can click to add it to your watch list. The Transcript tool will show you a typed version of the words spoken in the video. You can also download the transcript. The video can be played by clicking the play button in the center of the image and then clicking the play button on the player bar at the bottom. The player bar also has a closed caption option, more videos. The settings option gives you the ability to change the video quality, as well as select closed captions and format the closed captions. You can change the font color, background, and several other aspects to make it more readable. You can click back and click the X button to exit the settings. The last feature is the full screen option, which allows you to enlarge the video to the size of the screen. The last thing I want to bring attention to is at the top of the home page to the right. There's a down arrow, and there you will find your recently watched videos, your watch list, your gallery, a link to the community, access to your account, and here you will find the logout option. And that is my intro to Creativebug. I hope that that gives you a good solid starting point to start exploring Creativebug for yourself. As always, if you need to reach out to a librarian, don't hesitate to call us if you have a question about Creativebug or run into issues when signing up. I hope that you use Creativebug in this new year to pick up a new skill. I know I will. And I'll take you along for the journey as well. But until next time, friends, Happy New Year. Remember to be safe, and as always, be creative, York County.